For a dependable plumber in Santa Cruz, California 95060, trust Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. We provide expert plumbing services tailored to your needs, from leak repairs and drain clearing to water heater maintenance and sewer line solutions. Our skilled professionals are dedicated to delivering prompt, high-quality service with attention to detail and customer satisfaction. Whether you're dealing with a plumbing emergency or planning a system upgrade, we ensure efficient and reliable solutions to keep your home or business running smoothly. Choose Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for professional plumbing services you can count on in Santa Cruz, California. Contact us today, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What plumbing services do you offer in Santa Cruz, California 95060? We provide comprehensive plumbing services, including leak detection, drain cleaning, water heater repairs, sewer line repairs, and water treatment system installation. Do you offer emergency plumbing services in Santa Cruz, California? Yes, we provide 24/7 emergency plumbing services to address urgent issues like burst pipes, severe leaks, or clogged drains. What is your plumber service office in Santa Cruz, California? Our local plumber service office have served the areas of Capitola, Los Gatos, Los Angeles, Rubidoux, Grand Terrace, Pedley, Bloomington, Glen Avon, Colton, Mira Loma, Loma Linda, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Capitola Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/